Okay guys, I got a new R&Duro throttle housing that I'm going to be putting on here. Cool thing about it is it's got a bearing built onto that, so it really spins free. And it will go on to the stock ODI cable or throttle housing. So we'll take that off and take the G-rips off. T30 Torx. I think everything on these things are like T30. If it's got an 8mm head, it's a T30. Slide the rubber back. Pull it out and take everything off of it. Cable orientation before you take them off, so that you get front and rear without fighting it, is the front one goes in front and the back one goes in the back. Sounds simple, but you'll chase your tail trying to figure out which one goes where sometimes. So I'll take and pop this one off. And I'll put this one on. It snaps on the same way. It's got hex. I want the OD part of it, I want that pointing up on mine. So this is going to face down. So when I do the orientation of it, and just snap it on. Pretty easy. Now we'll put the cables back in. Put the housing on. Grab the screws and get those started. Slide everything back on. Before I tighten it up, so I can get the right clearance, I'm going to put my G-rip on. You want to make sure that once you get this tight, when you tighten this down, you want to make sure you have clearance in between that G-rip. If you don't, your throttle won't return. And that's not fun. I like mine right off the top. You can do it any way you want. It tends to hit the brake or one of the mounts that's on there, or you can roll it forward. I always put them right there. It seems like that's where all of them are. From the factory, they come in that position as well. Snug those down. Even torque on these things. Go back and forth, like I've said, so that you don't have a big gap on one end or the other. The design of this is a lot better than OEM. Like on OEM, I can see down in there, which is prone to letting water and dirt and all that kind of stuff in. So you'll have to recheck your throttle play. That is way excessive. So we'll have to take and back those out. And then just open them up to where you get the free play you want. That's a whole lot of free play. The back cable usually is always farther out than the front. Make sure that those are tight when you're done. I can live with that throttle play. I like a little bit. I don't want instant throttle. That's all kind of rider preference. Some guys like it to where as soon as they twist, it moves. I want a little bit of leeway in case I do something dumb and clip a tree or something so it doesn't whiskey throttle. So that's a nice product. Install is very easy. I'm excited to try that, being as it has the bearing in it. It's very free, no drag at all. That's all there is to install on that. If you have questions, just leave a question in the comments.